Hello guys, this is a video on how to show you how to use an analog stick to replace the D-pad on the GameCube controller. So right here I have the original GameCube controller joystick here hooked up to the XY. Actually, I believe this is the Y-axis. This would be the X-axis, but the other side's kind of gobbed up with solder. This IC I have right here is an LM339 quad comparator chip, and I have two LEDs here to represent left and right. I made a voltage divider right here that converts 5 volts to 3.3. If you're using the 3DS slider, you would want to create one that does 1.9 volts, I believe. Not 100% sure on this. However, without further ado, I will show you the function. So, left should turn this one on, and right should turn this one on. You can't really see because the LED is really bright, but if I put it at this angle, you can see that I have the left one on, and I am tilting the joystick left. If I were to tilt it right, that one comes on. Alright. Now, what I did here was I created two more voltage dividers using standard resistors. The first one will create a voltage that is slightly above what the joystick will create in its neutral position, and I created one that is a bit lower than what the joystick will create in its original position. And what this comparator does is it takes the voltage created by this voltage divider here, and it compares it to the output of the joystick, and it sees which one is a higher voltage. Now with this setup, it will actually source the LEDs to ground, which I believe is what you guys want, because I think the controller sources the button to ground whenever it wants a signal to be signaled, I guess. And then the second one here is going to compare, and it's going to see if it's higher. Let me see my mess of wires. Yeah, if this one is higher, so if it turns on that way, the other one checks to see. That happens if the joystick's not plugged in properly. Anyway, you can clearly see it's off and it turns on. It's not a gradual thing, it's a full signal. Anyway, I guess that's about it. I will post a picture of the schematic for you guys as well, so you can build this yourself. I'm gonna post it for this. If you want to use the 3DS slider, I'm pretty sure you have to use a different kind of voltage. I believe it's 1.9 again. Not sure. I guess I'll see you guys later. Peace.